Hello, this is Jesse with Nexus Property Management out of the Worcester office. Coming to you today from 23 Hawley Street, unit number 2 here in Worcester. Making a video for a brand new listing that we have. This is a second floor unit. Starting the tour off today in the eat-in kitchen. As you can see, we got nice glass top, black electric oven slash stove range. We got the granite look countertops, and then a nice black fridge. Cabinets were recently refurbished and painted white. Behind me here, you could definitely see a nice kind of circular table. Easily probably fit 4 to 6 chairs around, but a good sized kitchen. Over here is going to be the living room. Real nice living room. Lots of light, lots of natural light. We have a little coat area, a little more storage. But I could definitely see a nice like sectional couch here. TV mounted on the wall. But just a real nice room, nice and bright. You can see the beautiful hardwood floors throughout the unit. They were refinished just a couple of years ago, but they still appear to be in almost new-like condition. Bedroom number 1 off of the kitchen. Good sized room. All 3 rooms are about the same size. This is a 3-bedroom with a full bath, as well as washer and dryer in the unit. But I could easily see a king-size bed with a couple nightstands, closet, dresser area, plenty of room in this room. You'll see the unit has baseboard electric heaters. Continuing the tour, over here is bedroom number 2. Good sized room. It's just a little skinnier. It does have a larger size closet, but I could see a full size bed in here. Room for a couple dressers, nightstand, but definitely a good sized kids room. Right across from bedroom number 2 is going to be the bathroom. Good sized vanity, mirror, big sink, double basin sink. Tub was recently reglazed, so it looks brand new. Same thing with the sink, looks brand new. Did a nice job on it. This floor in here is actually going to be a vinyl floor. Makes it a little bit more waterproof, but they matched it pretty well with the floor and throughout the rest of the unit. Continuing the tour down the hallway, this door leads to the back common area. Right here we have the newer washer dryer. Super convenient, nice feature. And then bedroom number 3 is back here. Similar to the size, I would say, of bedroom number 2. Maybe a little bigger, but a slightly smaller closet, but definitely still good room for storage. I could see a full-size bed in here, twin, no problem. Couple dressers, nightstand, plenty of room for everything. Nice big window for some natural light. So once again, this is Jesse with Nexus Property Management out of the Worcester office. Coming to you today from 23 Hawley Street, unit number 2. Real nice unit. Feel free to check out the rest of our units available on our website at nexuswor.com. That's nexuswor.com. Or feel free to reach out to us. Give us a call at 508-687-3001, and you will want extension number 3 for the leasing department. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.